Hey guys, what up? Welcome back to my channel to another nail video. In this video I'll be creating a blue marble set, and here I've already laid out my nail sizes. I wear size small, so I have all the sizes laid out, and I'm just gonna take a nail file and proceed to file the top of the nails to just remove the shine from them. I do this so that it will hold the polish better and it will last longer. Then I'm going to put the nails on the nail stand so I can work on them that way. So I'm applying the base coat. I usually use a base coat for all my nails. That also prolongs the gel nail polish on the nails. And yeah, so I do that for all of my nails. And for my big finger, I'm just gonna paint it using this royal blue, and I like this color. It also has some glitter in it and it's really pretty. So after I do that, I put it in the nail lamp to cure for 60 seconds, and then I'm just gonna add a second coat. Look at that, it's very pretty. Here I'm applying the second coat after drying in the nail lamp. The color looks more intense and more uniform now, and I really like this color. And to finish off the big finger, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the top coat and cure. Alright, for my index finger, I decided to do some marble, and this is the method I'm using. I'm just taking a lighter blue color to go on that royal blue. Of course, I painted the nail with top coat first so that it will spread the gel nail polish, and then I just used a small nail art brush to just brush through the pale blue to make that marble that I want. I think this was a bit crowded, but I just still went ahead with the look. And of course I thought something was missing, so I decided to add some glitter to this nail just to make it pop some more. So here I'm just taking the glitter and just put it in the middle or in between the blue and the royal blue, just to add some sparkle. You know, what's nails without sparkle? And that's about it. I'm just gonna add top coat and cure this. And that's it for the index finger. For the middle finger, I'm still gonna go ahead with marble, but I did it. It wasn't so crowded. I thought the first ones were crowded, so I tried to do this more spacious, and I think these look better. And you'll see what I'm talking about. And I like doing this method of marble because I find that it's very easy and it's not messy. Look at that, it's very pretty. So all I'm gonna do is just add some glitter like I did with the index fingers, and then I'm gonna cure for 60 seconds. Let's just pop that in the lamp, cure it, and then add our top coat, and that's it. That's a beautiful marble nail. For the ring finger, I decided to go with that same, I would call this baby blue. I don't know what color blue you would call it. I just call it baby blue, and I'm just gonna paint it 2 times. First coat, cure it, and then second coat and cure it. And for this finger, I decided to use the royal blue to create a little French tip that you'll see me doing now. There we go. Actually, baby blue is my favorite color. What's your favorite color? Just leave your favorite color in the comments. I'm just gonna shape the French so it has a more rounded shape. I didn't like how that looked square. I'm just gonna adjust it until I get the shape that I want. Okay, I think that's all set now. I'm gonna do the same thing on this one, just to show you how I did it. So I actually cured it in the lamp for 60 seconds, and now I'm just adding some little blue butterflies. The top coat is still wet on the nail. I applied the top coat and then I applied the butterflies, and I'm gonna pop it into the lamp and cure for 60 seconds again, and then I'm gonna add another coat of top coat and cure again. For my pinky nails, I didn't want to do anything extra, so I just took that same royal blue and just painted them plain royal blue to match with the big fingers. So 1 coat down, I'm gonna cure it and then add my second coat. It. I'm just gonna cure and add the top coat, and it's all done. This is what the final set looks like. I hope you like how they turned out. Visit me on my website at www.beautifulbells.com to see the press-ons I have for sale, and you may also follow me on Instagram at JanNailedIt. Thanks for watching.